This is Milo. Milo is a bright little boy who loves reading and exploring, but oh dear, his room is always a big mess. Today, he's searching for something very special under his bed. Milo finds a strange, dusty box he's never seen before. It sparkles just a little, as if it's hiding something magical inside. Inside the box, a pair of glowing glasses. Not just any glasses, these shimmer with rainbow light. Milo gasps. What could they do? When Milo puts on the glasses, everything changes. His messy room now looks like a jungle adventure. These glasses show the world in a magical way. A note. It reads, "See the good in all." That's the real magic. Milo wonders, does that mean the glasses help him see the good in everything? Milo decides to wear the magical glasses to school. Everything around him feels happier, even the clouds look like they're smiling. At school, Milo sees Jake, the school bully, being mean again. But instead of just getting angry, Milo looks closer through the glasses. Through the glasses, Milo sees something surprising, a glow around Jake, and a vision of Jake all alone at home. Maybe Jake isn't just mean, maybe he feels lonely. Milo walks up and offers Jake his favorite toy robot. Jake blinks in surprise. No one has ever been kind to him like that before. Jake begins to smile. For the first time, he's sitting with the others at lunch. Milo's kindness is working like real magic. Jake is now part of the group. They're building a treehouse together, laughing and helping each other. Milo feels proud. Later, Milo spots Emma, a quiet girl in class. Through the glasses, he sees colorful butterflies and music notes. She loves to sing but is too shy. Milo encourages Emma to sing. She hesitates, then opens her mouth and sings beautifully. The class erupts in applause. Later, Milo notices the glasses aren't glowing anymore. But when he takes them off, everything still feels magical. Why? Milo sees a golden glow in the mirror, not from the glasses, but from himself. The note shines again. He found the magic inside. The glasses gently fade away, leaving behind golden sparkles. Milo places the box back under the bed, no longer needing the magic to see good in others. Now, the whole school feels different. Kids are helping one another, sharing, being kind. Even Jake helps a younger student who fell. Milo shares the story of the magical glasses. His friends listen wide-eyed. Maybe kindness really is a kind of magic. Now, everyone tries to see the good in each other. The playground is full of laughter, understanding, and friendship. And so, Milo learned, and showed others, that if you look closely, there's good in everyone. You don't need magical glasses, just a kind heart.